Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you I basically built out this WWE trivia image quiz game which is based upon wrestlers matches here. So you will see this nice little MCQ quiz trivia kind of a game where you will ask a question and you will give it multiple choices, and here you need to predict about WWE wrestlers and about matches. You will see this will be asked a question right here, which wrestler. So we have four choices here. The time also comes. This is a complete kind of a web application. So here you select the options, and then after that it will give you whether the answer is right or wrong. So you can see running this web application on localhost. So it's a single static kind of a web quiz kind of a game, trivia kind of a game where you will ask different kinds of questions right here. So if you are good in wrestling, you can host this game readily on shared hosting if you can purchase the source code. So the link is given in the description. This is actually the full source code. Once you purchase it, you will be landing to Google Drive where you will actually get the source code files. You can simply edit these files here. This is the index.html file, and inside assets folder you will see the CSS code. We have also got all the audio effects and like this. So if you see, we also have font, we have different kinds of images, we also have the JavaScript here. This is a JavaScript file here. So inside this you can edit all these questions that is asked here. So you can add your own questions as well about WWE. So you can have multiple choices here, 1 2 3 4. So you can have different choices, and now you can see that. So if the time runs out, you will see this message, you have been counted out, and also it will show you the actual correct answer. And again the process will repeat here, which of the following is not a. So here you select it, and then if the answer is correct, then you will see correct like this. So this is actually the game here. If you are interested in purchasing the source code, guys, the link is given in the description. You can see this. So if you want to build something like this MCQ WWF trivia kind of a game, you can definitely build this, and you can add your own questions as well once you get the source code. So it's makes the process way more easier because you have the source code, you have all the source code files, the sound effects as well. So if you're interested, the link is given. It's a single static page kind of a website. So thank you very much for watching this video.